it's going to be a hot day today, so I'm heading out of London to go to another beach where people go to sunbathe without any clothes on, and I hope to participate. So I've arrived in Folkestone now. The train was crazy busy, although not many people got off here. But now I'm just heading into town. I'm going to grab a coffee first. I just need to check which way it is. Hang on. Also, I need to poo, so I can do that in the coffee shop, because I won't be anywhere after that. Welcome to Folkestone. So I'm heading towards the beach now. It's super easy to follow, just follow the coast. There's a little bit of ruggedness a bit further along, and I've only been here once before, last year, and it was low tide, so it's going to be high tide this time, so it will be interesting to see the difference. I did check that it is accessible at high tide, and I can't see anything saying it isn't, so we will see. Hopefully I'll get there. So from memory, I think it's about 3-ish miles, so it's not far. And this beach is right below the cliffs. Shingle, you know, typical for southeast. And yeah, I'm really excited. So now I'm entering the Folkestone Warren. It can be a little overgrown and scratchy in parts. Last time I was here, I actually did it in flip-flops, which wasn't a good idea. I did cut my feet up a little bit, but now I'm wearing closed shoes, a bit more sensible today. So where we're actually heading to, I'll show you now. It's right over there, under the cliffs. It's really, oh my god, I can hear all the bees. Found a tick on me the other day, so I'm definitely going to be checking, oh dear, my body after this. Oh, sharp things. Oh, I'm out. Oh, my legs are all scratched up. Stingy, and it's all open now. Okay, all right, so we take this turning here, if you see the sign. Down to Fossil Beach. Oh good. This bit I thought might all be underwater at high tide, but it's not. The rocky bit, it's lovely. rest of the walk there, it's basically concrete. Easy, but you really feel the heat. But the cool thing about this beach is you need to actually climb down a ladder to get onto it, right at the very end. We have concrete with green, and soon we'll have concrete with cliffs. You know, although it's not that far, you know, it feels far. Oh, Jesus. It feels far. I think when you're just on concrete the whole way, and it seems like I can see the beach, but it's just not getting any closer. It feels further away than last time I was here. So, you know, I'm currently taking antibiotics, and the ones I'm on make you a bit sensitive to the sun. So I really shouldn't be doing this, but you know, I got my sunscreen and hope for the best. Okay, I'm at the ladder, I think. I'm on the beach, so I'm gonna have to put the camera away in a minute, I think, because there's naked people, and I'll check in soon. There's some naked people behind me, so just stay there. It's very hot, so I'm gonna put some sunscreen on. I'll join in later. And there are naked people about, but we're super spread out. So it kind of feels like your own little private beach.